So today I decided to change my spark plugs and spark wires on my RX8. So looked at a couple YouTube videos. I did it before. Is it easy? Yes and no. But it's something that you can do at your house that you don't have to go to a mechanic to actually get done. So it just gotta be real tedious about it, real tedious. They have the lead-in and trailing spark plug, so just gotta be real careful on placement, you can say. So without further ado, let's get to this project, homie. So we gotta take this front tire off, and it'll literally lead us right to the side of the block, you can say, that has the spark plugs, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna let it cool off for a little bit, and in the meantime, I'm gonna take off the wheel and see what's up. Let's do it. So, because of these leading and trailing, you don't want to get them mixed up. I just did a little sketch over here. Front, rear of the block, you can say. Trailing, leading, trailing, and I just line these up. You can tell the T stands for trailing. So trailing up there, and the shorter wires put at the top because shorter distance, and the longer ones at the bottom, just to keep it intact. Take the old ones off and make sure I put it on right, that's all. So now I'm gonna start taking them off. So let's do it. So I don't got the right socket. I need to get the right socket, so just gonna take a ride to Home Depot and get the right size socket. Got this wire off, but can't get the spark plug off because I don't have the right socket. So need to go to Home Depot, get the right socket. I'm gonna bring this with me so I can get the right socket, and yeah, come back and get it done, man. You're gonna get it done, don't you worry now.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
Alright, we're back, mates. We're back. We should be good to go. Let's rock out, mates. Yeah, you're not gonna believe this, but I thought about this when I was there too. As you can tell, this is the only one that will fit in there. Every one of these that I bought will not fit in there, mates. So, guess what we gotta do? We gotta go back to Home Depot, mate. We got to go back to Home Depot. Still gonna get it done, mates. We're still gonna get it done.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
So, I'm gonna show you guys something pretty cool. As I'm changing the spark plugs and wires, I'm taking out the last spark plug, and ironically, the apex seal stopped right on where the spark plug is. So I'm gonna try to show you guys. You're gonna see it shine, but it is pretty cool. I can get it for you. Yeah, that's a good shot right there. See that shine right in the center there? That's that apex seal. The edge of the rotor right there. Pretty dope. All right, we're almost done. Last one. So pretty much got everything back on. Everything's copacetic. We're gonna start it up to see if it actually works. So, about to find out, mate. So, started up easy. Moved it out. Yep, hit idle temperature. So, probably learning itself. The old spark plugs. Oh my gosh. Take a look at these. Horrible. Horrible. Hey, look at the back of them. And this one. And this one. You know what the crazy thing? This time you have that piece. See how this one has that piece? Yeah, this one doesn't. It broke off. It broke off. So, that little piece could be in my engine. Hey, still runs, mate. Still runs. We got the job done. We did what we had to do and now it's done. Boom.